Hey everyone, I'm here today with a BMW X5 3-liter. Great car, 94,000 miles, 5, including the spare, 5 brand new Michelin tires. This is the top of the line, pretty much most expensive tire you can get for this car. It's always a good indicator when someone 10-15 years later is still putting the money into having 4 brand matched tires that are really expensive. This car has a really cool history. It was owned for a long time by the #1 Bentley and Rolls-Royce independent specialist here in the UK. Their personal vehicle, it's registered in their name. Now if we look at the service history too, look at the service history. Absolutely consistent. We go there. All right. There. Beautiful thing about the UK is people really take care of their cars here, and they're real big on service history. Everybody uses the stamp book, great record keeping, and I have to say that that's the best kind of records I've seen on an X5 of this age ever. And look at this, 5 keys, 4 of them are remotes. There's your MOT certificate until let's see here, pretty much next year, yeah, 14th of July 2017. One advisory, it advises a minor oil leak. I haven't seen it. It's not, I don't smell any oil burning, I don't see anything on the ground, but there's an advisory for it, so you should be aware. And aside from that, let's go ahead and check out the rest of the car. So I'm gonna steal one of these keys right here, put this up. You've got front and rear parking sensors. The black trim, the plastic, a lot of these cars are usually faded. Not the case with this. And like I said, that spare wheel is a full-size alloy with a brand new Michelin tire. There is some curbing on the edges of the alloy, but really a presentable car. There's no rust, no paint work, no accident history. Just a really nice car. Again, front parking sensors. Gorgeous car all around. 4-wheel drives, a permanent all-wheel drive on these. Great fuel economy. The 3-liter petrol, that's the best fuel economy you're gonna get out of the petrol X5. No turbocharger, so nothing to explode on you. One of the downsides to the diesels,
to invest that money, and they will have an affinity, a strong affinity with technology.
One of the downsides to the diesels is that when those turbos go, they throw little bits into the engine, and you could be out an entire engine. So it's all very expensive. Not the case with this car. So you see we've got our dual zone climate control, park distance control, DSC, dynamic stability control, RDC. I don't know what RDC is. I'm gonna have to look that one up. I've actually never seen that option on any X5, and I've owned dozens and dozens from this generation. So looking here, we've got the car started. You heard it's very quiet. You probably didn't even hear it start. Our idle is smooth and steady, exactly where we want it to be. No warning lights. Real common fault with the displays. The pixels kind of go out, but you can see it's 94,523 miles. Pixels on the radio are good. Usually those go out too, very common. But this car is super clean. The leather is immaculate. There's these wonderful rubber floor mats, and when you've got someone who maintains dozens of the world's most expensive cars from all over the world, Rolls-Royces and Bentleys from collectors all over the world, if they're taking care of those people's cars, well, you can imagine how well this car has been taken care of. So with that being said, we're in drive. There we go. No clunks or knocks with the gearbox. Everything's really smooth. And we're just gonna go cruise. All right. Beautiful sunny day here in Essex. About the one day of summer we get out here, and no rain. Nice smooth acceleration. You just heard the locks, all of the locks, auto lock for safety measures. And that's it. Nice and quiet over all these bumps. There's no rattles or anything like that. Nothing squeaking on the inside. You know, a lot of times on older cars, you'll hear the dash squeak or the seats, little plastic bits. Not the case with this car. As I brake around this corner, there's no squeaking or squealing. You know, everything's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Every button on the vehicle works. And yeah, whoever gets this is gonna get a special car, no doubt about it. All right, got a lot of cyclists out today. All right, well, that's the X5. I hope it's been informative with this video, and I hope you have a good idea of what the car is like in person. And I'm just gonna get on it a little bit so you can get through this path. Yeah, great smooth acceleration. Excellent. Well, like I said, I hope this video has been informative. If you've got any questions, just give me a call, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks everyone, and take care.